Yeah, going live is way better. Yeah, my husband would be setting up the cameras and all of that, but I think the live delivery would actually be good. But yeah, that's what I plan on doing. Just watching a few live deliveries just to see how it goes because I don't want YouTube to flog it. I don't want to start and then it's a problem. So I wanted to see if they actually have them out there and if it's okay. But I guess if you're not showing all of that stuff happening down there, then it should be fine. Because I know they have you covered here, so you've seen the face, you've seen what's happening, but not actual fine details of it, which should be fine. We're almost done. Almost done. Almost done. So yeah, I should have a seat. I really should. Let me grab a chair. I have so many things to do. I am also gonna be doing a video. I don't know yet if I want to. I don't know if I want to have it live or what for my turkey that I'll be making. I'm making jerk turkey. It's all seasoned, it's in the refrigerator, and I'm planning on doing a live with that. But to cook the turkey, it takes hours. So I also started it. I did the whole brine video, seasoning video of the turkey that I have to edit, voice over, and post it. I think I want to do that because at least I'll have it people searching for that during the season. My husband is so busy, he has not got the chance to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna be checking out a few videos for the deliveries. Yeah, I'm shocked too, but I think it may be what my channel needs. I think it may be what my channel needs. When I checked yesterday, I have quite a lot of watch hours to go before I get monetized. So I'm trying to up it. Thanks guys for joining. If you're new here, we're talking a whole lot about delivery, going live, YouTube content, etc. So if you're a small YouTuber, subscribe. Let's keep the link going. We're all trying to grow here. Um, yeah, so it's just my watch time hours that I need to work on, which is why I think the live would be very good. So I think if the hospital allows it, should be going live. Yeah, that would be awesome. I really want to have a smooth delivery. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about recording it, girl. Like maybe that's the breakthrough that the channel needs. Just that one video that will just take off. And then it will be like going on for a while. So people coming in, jumping off, coming in, jumping off. Yeah, I think I need to do that. So what I do is to actually announce it before. Well, announce it like create a little bit of hype around it. Not that I'd know the date, but I could make some community post, etc. And then schedule it, which scheduling it may not be easy because you never know when it's going to happen. But I'm praying that it's a smooth one, like real quick and not too much of a drawn out, feeling so much pain. I really don't know what to expect. Trust me, never been here before. Thank you. I appreciate it.